Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karami. As you can see here, we have a jewelry jar. I got this from a thrift shop called Discovery Shop. So they have a reward program. Every time you buy something, it adds up. And I finally got to redeem $10 off. So this was $15 originally, and I got it for $5. And let's take a first impression look. And we are gonna open this up. My daughter Emmy loves these jars, and as a matter of fact, she has gone through my stash and picked the ones that are wearable, and she wears the necklaces and the bracelets. So let's hope we find some for her. Let's open it up. All right, guys, wanted to show you the first pieces that I found. This is definitely a junk journals dream jar. There's so many pieces that can be used. Starting off, you can see this came off probably from a bracelet. You can see by the shape here. And then we have these faceted pieces here and then a heart. So that's one of them. When it comes to jewelry jars, you really have to look in. So this will probably not be a fit for someone that really wants to find pieces that they can wear. For me, this is really a treasure because I see so many possibilities here of items that can be used as embellishments in our junk journals. I mean, how cute is that bow? And then I love the colors on this clip-on. I love using them on journal cards. And look at that. Now this is a really pretty brooch. And that's always really nice to attach to a closure. Now here are some stones that came off a necklace. Definitely probably used to be a statement piece type necklace. More of these bracelet. We have bracelet pieces here. There's a little heart there. And then we have another brooch. It looks like it's working bronze. And then this large one here, little tassel. So that's that. Now for my daughter Emmy, as I mentioned, she loves bracelets. I luckily found a few. Here's the ones that I did find. There are some angels, and it looks like they might be birthstone stones. Now it is broken. This is the closure. I can definitely reattach it with a jump ring and fix that, and then adjust it to her wrist size as well. Here are some other ones that I'll have her look through and see if she likes. I know she'll probably like this. Not really sure, we'll see, but it has that cute little crescent moon. I did find some necklaces, but not the kind that I would personally wear. Definitely some that I will harvest and use for my journals. Oopsie, let me show you the first one. So it's a chain necklace. Nice colors. It is plastic. These are plastic, but these will be fun to take apart. So we have that. We have these larger ones. They're all broken, but then again, you junk journalers, fellow junk journalers, know how fun this will be to work with, to take apart, and then reuse and upcycle for other items on our journals. So I love this. I'll put that right there. We have, these are, when you first look at them, you think it's metal, but they're just like very elasticy pieces. Fun, fun, fun to again see what we can use that for in the future. Here's another chain necklace. I like this one, and I'll show you why. I have an idea of which journal I might use it in. It has some of these gorgeous heart pieces with the ball things there. So I'm gonna add that to a journal. Now there are also some interesting necklaces that I can definitely use. Oh, not necklaces, sorry, earrings. But let me show you this one necklace. I was eyeing this, and that's why I said necklace. It is a little tarnished, but maybe with a little cleaning, we can definitely wear it. The closure is still in good shape. The length of the chain is pretty short, so it may work better with my daughter Emma. She might want to wear that. So I am also going to put that aside for her. Now I do have some earrings, no pairs, but I think they will be perfect again to use. This one, for example, can be converted into a pendant. So is this little abalone one. Here's another earring. If you take the backing out, you can definitely attach that with some glue. I really like this one here. Look at that rhinestone. I think it's so pretty. And then we have these beads that we can take out of here and rebead them on a dangle charm. Earrings again for our dangles. More rhinestone. Look at that. Let's see what else. Here's one that says family. Some random one there. And then I'm going to be showing you a few of my favorite single earrings that again, I think will be perfect for our pendants. Love the color of that one. And trying to just pick through all of these because there's quite a lot. Let me know down below if you have used or reused these jewelry in your own personal junk journals or projects. Like, look at this. This would be great for a fall journal charm. They remind me of acorns and fall leaves. That's really pretty. Am I seeing it? Yeah. Another little bead piece here. And then let's see. Here's one with basketball. That's fun. Let's see. I'm trying to pick through so I can show you. Because some of the other items probably won't work, but here's one. It's a vintage floral. I don't know if you can see that, but that's a nice clip-on. And here's one in red. Two in red. I like this one too. That's really cool. Here's one with more colors in it. And it's one of those screw back earrings. How cute is that? One with a leaf over there. And then we got these. Open frame, some silver for you. Little knot style. This one's really interesting as well. I like this one. Looks like something was attached to it before, but you know, it's missing. And then we have this little charm here with some earrings. And here's one. It looks like it's one of those little wine glass charms. You can see it right there. They also had some Halloween little earrings that definitely can be reused as little charms. There's a little ghost. And of course, you gotta have your jack-o'-lantern earring. And you can use this as well as pendants for your necklaces. And let me see if there's a few more, and then I will show you the last few earrings that I found that I thought were cute. So I noticed there's a lot of crescent moon pieces here that'll be perfect for Halloween journal or something celestial. I think that would be fun. We also have a bat. That looks like a bat, doesn't it? And let me see. Oh my gosh. Hold on, guys. I'm just trying to look through here on my table what else I've been able to pull out of that stash. This one reminds me of a fan. And oh, this is cute. Hold on. This one looks like a heart in there with that little kind of domed look to it. Little burgundy piece there. Floral. And I see another bracelet, and my daughter Emmy might like it. This one's a little bit So it's stretchy and it has the sun. So that's really cute. I think she will like that. We have a little more of our rhinestones here. And the rest are really kind of junky. So I'm just trying to see if we even have found any pairings, but I doubt that I will. So let me go ahead and show you the last four, earrings that I did find. All right, I'm wearing my glove. I just want to show you my not so hydrated hands, but here is a crescent moon earring. And again, convertible to a necklace, pendant necklace. And then we have this piece here. I think it's so pretty. Hold on, let me show you. Here's one too that can be a little charm. Really like this one. It'll look well in a botanical journal. It looks like a flower. So I really like these pieces. And let's take one more look here at the table and see if we have any more. Oh, here's one. This is a cute little bow with a faux pearl, it looks like. There was also a silver ring. So that would be fun to clean up and see if we can wear it. I also like this shape here. This one's really cool too. Here are a few last pieces. We have a gold nugget on the left side, and then there is a gold dome finding, and then other fun, cute little shaped earrings that I think, again, will be fun to use for crafting. So that is it, guys. That's what was in that $5 jewelry jar. We have some bracelets we can use, a couple pendants that are in still working condition that I can definitely use, and the rest I am definitely going to use to embellish and also repurpose some of these earrings and convert them into pendants. So I am super excited to do that and share these bracelets and show Emmy if she likes any of those bracelets. I hope you guys enjoyed this jewelry jar unjarring. If you'd like to see my past jewelry jars, make sure to check out the playlist at the end. Thanks again for watching. See you next time. Bye.